So today I'm gonna show you how to make bagels. I've got a wild yeast starter here that I've had alive now for 7 years, and we're gonna use that starter to create the fermentation of the dough. To start, we're gonna first mix the dough. We're gonna weigh out 848 grams of white high gluten flour. Now we're gonna do water. We use caster sugar, salt, Diastatic malt powder, barley malt syrup. This sourdough starter, or a wild yeast starter, replaces the traditional dehydrated yeast that you would find in the grocery stores. Once those are all mixed, we're gonna stick it on the mixer, start it off at a slow speed. You can mix it by hand and knead it by hand as well. So I usually let this go about 8 minutes. And now it has to sit for approximately 4 hours. Get some flour on our work surface and work the dough out. First thing I'm gonna do is cut this dough into 12 equal parts. Now we're gonna shape them into the bagel shape. We need to take a piece, degas it. We're gonna flatten out a little bit, roll it up, and then we got a little log. You go ahead and start rolling them out, and then take one at a time and roll it from the middle out, wrap it around your hand, put the two ends together, and then roll them. And now you got a bagel shape. We're gonna put them on the tray, dust it with cornmeal. This ensures they don't stick. Now this tray bagel, I'll let this sit out for 2 hours to kind of puff up, and then it goes into the fridge for 12 hours. Next step now is to boil these. That's gonna get that chewy exterior. And it's about 45 seconds. They sit in there, and then you're gonna flip them. So we're gonna pull them out, and we're gonna let them drain on the wire rack. I'm gonna put them on the pan, which is gonna go into the oven. Black pan is where I'm gonna put the water. So the bagels are gonna go on top, get some of the boiling water, and carefully stick it in that pan and trap that steam in there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna show a little breakfast sandwich to go with these little guys that we just finished baking. There you go, we got our breakfast sandwich.